Hey guys, I'm Dan and welcome to another episode of my toy collection videos. In my previous video, I actually asked you guys what are the animal toys you want to see for this series, and Melissa suggested why not make a movie on your 3D puzzle toys. So today I'm gonna show you my entire collection of 3D puzzle toy animals. But this set do not include the sea animal toys that I have shown you in my shark video. You can check out the link in the description below. And for this video, I actually need your help to name some of the animals, okay? Cause some of them are new and I have no idea what they are as they are not written on the packaging, and some of the toys are actually from Japan and I can't read Japanese. Without further ado, let's get started. This is a figurine of a man, an explorer, which I use very frequently in my videos. I name him Dan after myself. He wears khaki pants and is looking really good. Nice capturing on the face, nice details. Okay, let's get started with the animals. The first one we have over here is a cheetah, the fastest land animal. Okay, oops, the leg is off. Cheetah is a really quick animal and it uses its long tail to help keep balance when it's running. The next we have a woolly mammoth. A woolly mammoth is an extinct creature, but recently they actually found a very well preserved body of a baby mammoth in Siberia. So there's a possibility of bringing back this creature from extinction by cloning. Next we have a thorny devil. This creature lives in the desert. You can actually check out the video in the description below, a video which I made in the past. Next we have a hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is one of the fiercest creatures in Africa, and it actually kills more humans than lions. Next we have a cute little pig. And this is a polar bear. A polar bear lives in the Arctic tundra. And next we have a grasshopper. A very nice detailed grasshopper. And this is a woolly rhino. And next we have a saber-toothed cat. Some horses. These horses are really beautiful. And this should be a rhinoceros beetle. And this is a snow leopard. You can actually compare the differences between a cheetah and a snow leopard. I would assume that a snow leopard would have a thicker fur, to keep itself warm in the cold Arctic environment. Next, I'm gonna show you a zebra. This is a very nice figurine of a zebra, but it has a missing tail. Give me 1 second as I want to adjust the lighting. Next we have a frog. I can't really remember the exact name of this frog. We have a couple of frogs. Some of them are actually poison dart frog. This blue one is definitely a poison dart frog, which is really poisonous. It has actually enough venom to, enough poison to poison about 20,000 minds, which is just incredible. And this is a Galapagos tortoise. Very nice detailed. You can actually, all these toys are actually can be assembled easily and disassembled. Next, we have a silverback gorilla. As you can see, there are some silver hair on its back. Silverback gorillas live in the mountainous regions, in the forest, rainforest. And this is a very nice lion. I actually have two lions, but they are quite different in looks. I actually prefer the one in orange more, but the one which is more brownish is actually more detailed. Next, we have a tiger. I call this the Bengal tiger. I actually have two different tigers, but I can't find where it's the other one, but it's okay, we'll get to that. And this is a giraffe, the tallest land animal. A really long neck. And this is an Indian star tortoise with a retractable head and really intricate details on their back. Next, we have a sheep. The leg is missing. There is the other leg. Next, we have a mini elephant. It's not a baby elephant, because a baby elephant will not have such a long task, I suppose. And this is a weasel. Next, we have an Arctic wolf. And this is a wasp. Let me fix the wing back. You can actually rotate the lower portion of the body. Another frog. Another one over here. And this is a grey wolf. They're actually similar, just different in colors. So one is an Arctic wolf and one is a grey wolf. We have another sheep over here. You can actually compare it with the other sheep I've shown you just now. They look pretty much similar, but the one on the left has apparently it has longer fur, I think. Next, we have a baby panda eating some bamboo leaves. And this is a ladybird or a ladybug. You can actually open the wings. Pretty cool. Next, we have a butterfly with flappable wings. looking really awesome. And next we have a rooster. Let me fix the legs back and the tail. Oh yes, I'll probably gonna do a farm animal videos very soon, probably this weekend. And if you guys have any ideas like what sort of videos you want me to make, do leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And this is a 5-horned beetle. And we have another elephant toy over here. This is really awesome, one of my favorites. It's really heavy duty. Let's compare it with the woolly mammoth. They're roughly about the same size. And if you heard the news about the cloning of the woolly mammoth in Korea, they actually wanted to plant this egg into the body of an Asian elephant. So if you heard this news, let me know in the comment section below. I think it's pretty exciting to know that there's a possibility of seeing another woolly mammoth. Next, I'm gonna show you another tiger, but this tiger is different from the previous one in terms of color. The previous one has a brighter orange and this one has a darker tone. Pretty much similar, but the one on the left has actually some details on the teeth. Yeah, pretty different. Next we have a koala. The koala is not actually a bear. Yeah, it's really cuddly animal, and it's an animal which spends most of its time sleeping and eating. And this is a new toy which I have not opened yet. It's a horse. We have another tawny devil, another cow, which is similar to the one that we have already shown in previous video. And this is a buffalo, I suppose. If you do not think it's a buffalo, let me know in the comment section below. Another horse, a grey one. So I'm probably gonna use this for a farm video. Another frog. Oh yes, here comes all the toys that I have no idea what they are called, okay? So if you know them, please let me know in the comment section below. And this is a cat. I'm pretty sure this is a cat which comes from Japan, but if you know the specific breed of this cat, do let me know in the comment section below. And this is like a lizard. It's like a lizard with this huge pouch under the neck. Let me know if you know this. And this is probably like, it's like a raccoon or a weasel. Not too sure about this. And this looks like a flying bat. It has some very flat snout and two really pointed ears. Could this be like a vampire bat or something? And we have another frog over here. This is probably just a green tree frog or something. A bird. So I need help in naming all these animals so that I can use them in my next videos. Okay, next we have a walrus. The walrus can really grow really huge. two large stars over here, and this is a hedgehog, really cute. A moose, and we have a pug, a dog over here, okay? And this should be a terrier. We have a ladybird or ladybug over here, but this is not a 3D puzzle toy. Speaking of bugs, I might probably do a bug video, my collection of insects, but I do not have a lot of insects yet, so that might take a while. And this is a rattlesnake. It's a really scary snake, okay? This rattle, from what I know, is able to rattle like more than 100 times per second or something, not too sure. An alligator, and we have a cat over here. A dog, golden retriever. Next we have a tarantula spider. Very creepy looking. You can actually use this for pranks to scare other people. And next we have a fruit lizard. Very nice and intricate lizard. Very detailed on the face. As you can see, this fruit over here is actually very nicely detailed. And speaking of lizards, I'm actually thinking of creating a collection of reptiles, because I have a lot of reptiles toys. If you have any suggestions or ideas and thoughts about this, do let me know in the comment section below. And next we have a gecko. The gecko is actually pretty cute, I would say, as commented by some other subscribers. But to some other people, they are actually quite freaky. And next we have a cobra. King cobra is really deadly. And next we have a beaver. A beaver, a really cute and intelligent dog. Looks like this is the tail of a golden retriever. Let me put it back. There you go. Now you have a tail. Next we have a anaconda versus an alligator. I actually used this for a video which I did yesterday, and you know that anaconda is actually a really strong snake that is able to strangle alligators and tigers, and not tigers, maybe like leopards and jaguars. And next we have this extinct animal. I can't really remember the name of it. I think it's Megatherium or something, not too sure. And next we have a giant eland. A really nice figurine of it. Okay. The horns are actually detachable. Pretty cool. And next we have a bear, a black bear. And a chameleon eating a grasshopper over here. with his tongue extended really long. And next, one of my favorite toys, 3D puzzle toys ever, the alligator snapping turtle with a very powerful bite. This toy is very well made, one of the more intricate figurines. And next we have more dogs. Is this a Great Dane? Can't really remember. This is a Dalmatian. And we have a Corgi over here. The Corgi is a really cute breed with very short and stumpy legs. And a few more cats. These two are pretty much similar, just that the head is pointed in different directions, okay? And this is another dog. A panda bear. Let's compare it with the baby panda. So this is a giant one and this is a baby one. Very cute, I love pandas. They're so cuddly and so gentle. And next we have a chipmunk or a squirrel, holding a nut. Really cute. And a mini cheetah. And some bugs over here. And this is a penguin, an emperor penguin, happy feet. And an open pack of a rattlesnake. Okay. This is the open one. They should be similar. A mini giraffe. So there's actually a video which I made previously. It's a collection of all the mini animal toys, like this giraffe, and this panda, and this cheetah. I think there's still a few more, but I can't find them now. Next we have an eagle, a bald eagle, looking really majestic, standing on this rock over here with the wings wide open. Look at the wingspan, look at those feathers. They're just amazing. Let's take a closer look at the face. Pretty detailed, nice paint work, but some of the paint has come off. And next we have a black rhino. It's really dark and colored. I have a grey rhino. It's somewhere, I think it's this one. It's a lighter shade. This could be interesting. I'm probably gonna use this in a zoo video. And next we have a turtle, a new one which I have yet to open. It's a leatherback turtle. I'm thinking of creating a video on all the different turtles that I have, I got a few over here. This is a leatherback, and this is an Indian star tortoise. And this is a Galapagos, and alligator snapping turtle. I have a green sea turtle in my collection of sea animals. So let me know in the comment section below whether you prefer a video on birds or turtles, or maybe another shark video. And another unopened pack of a polar bear. It's a different one from the one I showed you previously. This is actually a smaller version. And in this pack we have a mini woolly mammoth, And this creature is an extinct animal. It looks like an anteater, but it has this spiked tail over here. There's some bugs over here. Cricket, praying mantis, and a grasshopper, and a scorpion. Okay, so that's all the 3D animal toys I've shown you today. Okay, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share it, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, that's about it. Do let me know what videos you would like me to make, and I'll definitely do one and create one if I can. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And this is the set of shark toys from Safari Tube. They are really awesome. There are 12 different sharks in all, and all of them have the names written on it, so you can definitely know which sharks are which. And if you want to check out the video, click on the link in the description below. And yes, the Rhino set, whale shark, turtle, crab, a lot of crabs. I can't remember the name, I'm so sorry. Do check out these videos in the description below. Okay, so that's about all the toys I've shown you today. My favorite has to be the great white shark. I have plenty of different great white sharks. One of them is the 4D master anatomy model. The big bad megalodon is definitely one of my favorites, as well as he's the main star of many of my videos. And the okra is also becoming one of my favorite as well. He's the hero of the series, where he fends off the big bad megalodon. Next, so that's about it. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share it, leave me a comment, leave me a comment on what videos you want to watch. You might be responsible for the next video. Leave me a comment, Melissa, leave me a comment, and this is the video which I responded. So do drop me a comment. Okay, I'll see you soon in the next video. It will probably be tomorrow, where I'm gonna do a dinosaur video. Okay, so stay tuned. Give it a like, write some comments, let me know whether this video is good. Okay, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.